preparing for a mattress delivery. Finally, the brand new mattress you have ordered is scheduled to arrive at your house. That good night's sleep you've been dreaming about is literally around the corner. It is important to prepare your home adequately so that your mattress gets delivered quickly and safely. Firstly, ensure that you have enough space for the delivery personnel to bring in your new mattress. A mattress is a big piece of furniture to bring into your house, so removing as many obstacles will only make the delivery safer and easier for everyone. If the mattress is going up the stairs, it is a good idea to take off any pictures off the walls. Chances are the delivery personnel will have to squeeze the mattress up the stairs and they might brush the walls. Ensure that you've made room for your new mattress in the desired bedroom. If you have any questions, contact your salesperson or speak to the delivery crew. For more information on buying a new mattress, check out our other videos or visit us at www.nationalmattress.ca.